Number of issues expected to come with those high winds, like blowing dust.
It definitely affects your visibility while trying to drive, and it could be a hazard. Corey Howard with answers from the experts.
Yeah, that's right, Doug and Shelley. Oftentimes that high wind can pick up a lot of debris, and that would lead to poor air quality. Now, doctors do tell me, and they recommend for people with respiratory health concerns to try and stay inside. But if you do have to go outdoors, consider wearing a mask. Also, for people driving through these dust storms, don't be afraid to pull over.
We always recommend pull off as far right as you possibly can. Put your vehicle in park, keep your seatbelt on, and then take your foot off the brake. We don't want somebody to come up behind you and possibly see those brake lights and think that's where the road is or that's where I need to be, and then rear end you.
A little bit about some of the health concerns that could come with high winds and blowing dust and things of that nature.
Not everyone can stay indoors continuously. And so when you go out, if you have an N95 mask, that's ideal.
Now, these high winds are expected to remain strong throughout the night. And for those who are looking for updates, make sure you download our KOAT app and sign up for the push notifications so that way you can stay up to date with what's the latest going on with this impact weather. Corey Howard in Albuquerque, KOAT, Action 7 News.